turacyakomeje flickish episode ya gatandatu aracyaba premiere for real ya nyuma ya Chris Easy na Keeper bakubwira ngo ba sorry dutangira bamaze babwira ko izi filime na hano wasanga ya kuri wa eshatu akadomo igiti akadomo net ya filime n'ubuntu aho buri hose ya the free movie tree dutangira nakubwira cyane Sankara da premiere umva mwite samano hatagira ucikwa mugeze twerutse ubushize amazi yabuze ahantu hose biragenda biteye yasikia pasi dutangira karembo nisanyuma uri yose kuna Sankara nako gutuye kugeraho hatagira ucikwa right show time okay turasa gumana nanje ndakumasa let's go okay take it soba right Chris Easy soba
down feet no munsi nugutarama
right
sindi bwite kubijanye n'amasaha
okay Sky's boy Barajai nuhunda all right Najai wanyanze wingora bizangora kwikuramo za kudigida aza kubitwa let's go right
kata sanje zirushiza Jackie Chan ikigusetsa cyose
kirangurura
sinshaka kubasoba
sinda cyane nushaka kubasoba
kurikira filime zisobanuye ku rubuga wa eshatu akadomo igiti akadomo net za Sankara Premier.
Mego bose naho uva kwizima cyane Sankara the one and only
Dylan Kabaka
sibyo yesaso indege butosho cyangwa kwigaraganya gukoma kandi yo mayitwa Dylan Kabaka
na Junior GT
konya irani abakura mu nzira nitwa Juju giti w'igipetiji
filime zose wifuza ku buntu igiti.net the free movie tree
aho ni honyine wakura filime ku buntu nta kiguzi aho waba uri hose ku isi hose Australia USA hose the free movie tree
ubushakashatsi bugaragaza ko abantu
iri ni ryo duka ryonyine rimwe mu kumbi mu Rwanda irimwe rukumbi bagira imyenda igezweho kandi imyenda urumva ku giciro hafi bivuge neza
12% barubahwa bakarangaza benshi kubera imyambarire yabo myiza kandi igezweho. Tera intambwe uno munsi winjire mu isi y'abasirimu abanyamideli n'abatsaperi wambikwe na Bubuna Store
abahanga mu gutegura ibyangwe byiza kandi bigezweho.
Bubuna Store, we make you smart in just a snap. Ambara berwa
nakubwiye Bubuna Store do bakorera hariya muri Chic do ukinjira gutya do reba uwinjiye muri Chic nyine hari bireba nyine hariya do ukinjira gutya ugatamika nyine ugatukata hariya mu nguni hariya do hariya nyine aho ariko nabwo yamutsuyobye ni wahamagara kuri izo nimero bakukurangira izo nimero Bubuna Store yakubandi mwese mucere kwamaza cyangwa kumenyekanisha ibicuruzwa byanyu n'ibikorwa byanyu hamagara kuri izo nimero tubigufashemo hamwe na Sankara the Premier for real dutange episode ya gatandatu ya Freakish
obviously on Freakish
icamaje kuri Freakish.
Who the hell are you?
Urinde sha
Grover Jones.
Let's go Grover Jones.
Now why did you show up to Saturday?
None nikikuze kwa gatandatu najyana ufite hano shaka kuki mwana
He bitten?
no
yari we cyangwa
he needs insulin
achane insulin
There's got to be insulin around here somewhere. We will
danga byakuna ntabwo twabula insulin muri kigo
find it for him.
turayimushakira
God.
neza napfa
Are you gonna keep this up?
hasi muzabikomeza rya twabonye n'abakobwa bose nk'abaterana mugenzi amagambo afitanye mutubazo.
Who's giving you bitch face? You know it.
Nawe ndeba nabi ntabwo nabyanganira.
Please.
Naye afite amezi angahe?
You can't tell anyone.
Nakunyuze utagira ubwira. Mugenzi Natali yari atwite.
Guys, we got a problem.
Ariko kubera karinya munini nta muntu ubizi atwite.
God.
Yarabwa dufite ikibazo. Ikibazo bwoko ki?
Everywhere.
Amazi yabuze buri hamwe. Ono twagarukiye na episode ya 5. Dutangiye freakish episode ni 6. Tayari. Mazi ni ikibazo. Sasa wana handi baje. Hano baza hakuno.
In the basement next to the boiler room.
Byanga byakuna muri basement twashaka na amahombo ashaka kuba yagize ikibazo.
Maybe there's something about the plumbing we can fix.
Wenda tukatwaba ikibazo cyenye na poromberi twakemura. Kareba amahombo yaba yapfiriye. Nese ara nabarimo harava.
Maybe there's something else going on.
Wasanga hari nibindi bijya mbere.
Can you read this?
Yewe wamenya gusoma ikarita y'ikigo?
Daddy?
Ibintu bya schematic ntago mbizi neza ariko zana ndebe. Ureba buryo pura y'ikigo bimeze.
Okay.
Sasa amaze kumenya ko amazi yabuze. Bada muri stock y'ikigo bavana amazi yari yasigaye muri kantini.
We're careful, we'll have enough fluids to last
Aya radusunika iminsi mike.
days.
Dutegereze ko amazi yagaruka.
So is the toilet.
I'm not
None se amazi yo muri toilet ntago umuntu yakoresha.
drinking out of a toilet.
Ntago nayangu ni kajogo.
We'll deplete our other sources first.
Mbere na mbere tumenya amazi ava he.
Zoe Parker. Diva.
Harya nawe twa Zoe Parker.
I'm a diva because I don't want to drink toilet water.
None utangiye kuvuga ko ni umukobwa y'ikitegerezo ko nabona ari mu amazi yo muri toilet se.
You seem to have made a full recovery.
Umva wowe urumva murebe neza.
Close enough.
Ndomba nta kibazo wamuteye insulin.
So,
Garura gatege.
when you have last.
None iyo baguteye iriya insulin ikubana igihe kingana iki?
Longer than the water.
Yamaramo igihe kinini kurusha amazi.
This is the pipe into the building right here.
Ati iri ni ryo hombo sasa ni dizo hakuru marimo arareba amahombo ajyana amazi.
No place else?
Ana amazi yabaca
See,
se.
the problem's outside. It's probably like
Nane
a
kibazo byanga byakunda kiri hanze.
broken water main somewhere.
Byanga byakunda hanze umuntu ashaka kuba yamenye ihombo
Pumping station has been messed up.
kuko byanga byakunda ahantu haturuka amazi kuri reko rwasigo. Pumping station. Amazi ku isoko ashaka kuba yagize ikibazo.
So we can't fix the water from in here.
Bivuze ngo turi ndani nta kintu twakora kuri ariya mazi.
Hey,
Yewe
we have another option.
dufite ari mahitamo we.
Yeah?
Ego.
When they built the fallout shelter, they stocked it with gas masks.
Ariko hano hantu bahubaka bashyizeho za gas mask. Bubaka kino kigo.
And that's good. Why?
Ni byiza kubera iki?
Because it means we can get the mask in the tanks and get out of here.
Bivuze ngo dushaka kuba twabona za mask tukareba buryo cy'umuntu yanasohoka hano kugira ngo imyuka iri hanze umuntu atayihumeka.
They're still there.
Hari amahirwe yo kuba twajya kuba twareba aho amazi yapfiriye tukagaruka.
50 years later, that's a big if.
Ariko bashyizemo uzantu zamara imyaka 50 ni igitekerezo kinini.
How we gonna get the mass in the tanks if the shelter filled with freaks?
None se turabona gute tanka za amazi muri make twakwambara gute mask tugafata amatanka twavoma amazi angana kugira twuzuza amatanka tuzanemo ndani.
Just need to figure out a way to get past them.
Ahubwo icyo dukeneye kumenya ni gute nitwambara za mask turi buce kuri zira zombies.
We know they're afraid of fire.
Cyo tuzi cyo nuko zitinya umuriro turajya twitwaje
Or somehow.
imyoto nta kindi.
He's back.
Flamethrowers.
That could work.
Come on, we can't use a flamethrower. It's gonna set off.
Ntabwo twakoresha flamethrower kugira ngo tunaga imiriro ahubwo no kugira ngo gitunga umuriro
We gas them.
ahubwo tubitera imyuka mibi.
Brilliant.
Igitekerezo cyiza.
Just so you know,
None wabizi.
gas that kills freaks will also kill anyone that goes
none
to
se imyuka mibi turi bitera urabizi ko ibyo izo zombies cyangwa
the shelter to get the masks.
Well, we're not going to kill them.
ntabwo tugiye kwica zira zombies
We're going to put them to sleep long enough for us to get
tugiye gushaka buryo tunakora imyuka mu buryo buri chimique yabisinziriza.
inside.
We don't have any sleeping gas around.
Ariko hano nta gazo dufite zasinziriza zombies.
Well, I can make some,
Ariko arizo nakora.
but I'm good with chemicals.
Ariko kubera ko ibintu bya chimie hari ikintu mbizo chemicals.
My plan.
Ibuka shaka ko bwakoraga mu ruganda ari umushimiste.
And it's more reliable.
Najya ngapanga gazi twatera hanze nkajya navanga ama chemicals tukazitera zigasinzira.
You want to talk about a plan getting out of control?
None ushaka kuvuga buryo ibintu byazambye. Bivuga ngo uyu mukobwa uyu musore akunda kumukeka Garrett yuko ashaka kuba yarakoze igisasu kiri mu buryo bwa chimie akaba yaturukije rwa ruganda.
There's something you need to say. Go ahead and say it.
Ariko niba ari cyo ushaka kuvuga niba unanamaza akomeza ubivuge. Hari igihe ukomeza ubizi yuko umuntu akubikiye ibanga ukumva yuko buri gihe cyose ari bugukoreshe kubera kumwinginga kubitiye ibanga. Umukobwa ati bivuge bive mu nzira.
Do you really want that?
Ushaka mbivuge?
I want what's best for this group.
Icyo nyeneye ni inyungu za twese.
And my idea is our best shot.
Kandi icyifuzo cyane nuko twaraza ku ntego nzima.
So I'm not backing down,
Ntabwo ndibusubira inyuma
no matter what you have to say.
ibyo wavuga byose. Niba uzi ko uri buntu amaze vuga. Arege ujya kuri gutabaza umuntu ugasanga ibyo ugiye kuvuga nta gaciro bifite muri rubanda. Umukobwa aramwitanze ati ngenye icyatugirira umumaro nayo ibyo kuvuga ngo uransebya. Vuga cyane.
You stood up to Barrett.
Kuri inshuro rwose bihagazeho kuri Barrett.
He kept his mouth shut.
Byabaye byiza akomeje afunze umunwa.
So is your secret safe with him? Is he gonna tell anyone?
Hano bitera banga ryawe kuri we biratekanye cyangwa.
For maximum damage.
Azi yuko yaramfite rwose hariya yankangisha amabanga.
Right thing.
Ariko byakoze byari byo.
For once.
Basi bwari mwe.
I'm sorry.
Kandi mbabarire.
About Mary.
Byabaye kuri mushiki wawe.
About letting you down.
Kuba naranze gutora ko twarinda mushiki wawe ukamushyira hanze.
We've all done things in here we regret.
Twese hano wa mukobwa we twagiye dukora ibintu byinshi twicuza. Ariko ibyo ntabwo byaca iteka.
I need some zip ties to pick the locks in the chemistry lab.
Nyene hano tuntu two gufungisha udupipe.
Pick a lock.
What is that supposed to mean? I'm a felon?
Shaka kuvuga ikintu felon cyangwa?
You just got layers, that's all.
Basa nkaho afite amakushe menshi.
Yes.
Ibyo byararangiye. Sasa umukobwa hakuno
It's a lot more.
agiye kugenda avanga ama produit chimique ariko yakora gaze batera hanze. Zira zombi zigasinzira. Banza kuza hakuno mu bitabo. Cyane ko mu kigo bafitemo
Work?
nuza laboratoire y'abakemist.
I have that is so vague I don't know which gas to make or
Ati rwose muri akamwanya mpangu ufite rwose nagusobanuza ariko sinzi gaze ni buvange.
it.
Ariko byanga byakunda biravamo.
Expensive, so it does work.
Ndakora ibyo nshoboye byose kandi biraza gukunda.
Of course it'll work.
Ahumura biraza gukora.
Great.
Kiza cyane.
Repeat, we are out of water.
Sasa uyu
Situation
musore yaza kubwira abantu bajya bavugana ati amazi yadushiranye.
is urgent. Needs
Situation turimo rwose irihutirwa.
immediate assistance.
Dukeneye ubufasha bwihuse.
Copy that. We'll consider action.
Ati nabyumvishe umura turashaka icyo tubikoraho.
We're past the point of considering anything.
Umva ibyo kutubwira ngo turategereza rwose igihe cyarenze.
The matter is out of our hands.
Umva natwe ikirego kiraturenze.
We are not able to assist.
Ntacyo twagufasha. Afite abandi barajya vugana nabo ariko bagenzi be ntabwo babizi. Sasa nabo kukijyanye n'amazi ntacyo babafasha. Sasa amazi bafite rekaze abe make.
Chemistry lab.
Reka tujye muri chemistry lab.
We were supposed to have a history test today.
Ariko uyu munsi twari dufite ikizamini cya history.
Best?
Ese wari butsinde cyane.
What was it on?
Ndacyari jyanye n'ikisi.
Not a clue.
Simbizi.
But you would have passed.
None se kuvuze gute kuri butsinde?
It's my gift.
Gutsinda history ni impano yanjye n'akantu toto.
Bullshitting?
Kuko nagutera blague. Bakira umukobwa. Nyuma yo kumara cyazombi cindiye. Umusore akingaho. Shaka umugozi cyangwa ushaka ishene. Shaka umunyururu. Reka nkure umukandara wawe. Ikarume tuhamiriza umukandara nakundi. Mwambura umukandara. Hambira hakuno. Tayari. Ndangije arafunga. Hey.
So let me get this straight. The chemicals that we need to live are in there?
Sasa reba ikosa. Ya chemistry lab ya laboratoire y'abashimiste niho zombi irimo indani no bayifungiranye. Sasa turakura ama produit turi buvange. Kandi muri laboratoire aho dufungiranye izombi. Hey. Ya dore ibibazo. Sasa ibi nabyo ni nyatsi. Hey. Aya.
Oh, there's this plan.
Hari uyu mupangu. Sasa kazowi. Karifata ka video. Yitonze.
There's this plan for me to climb through some vents.
Ati rwose hari uyu mupangu wo guca mu bintu bigiye bitandukanye.
Halls. To get
Zombi zaduteye aho turi.
to get the chemicals that we need.
Tugomba kudufata chemicals dukeneye.
And
Hana amazi bari bukoreshe nakundi no kwijajara.
only one small enough and
Bano bose ngunya nafata amazi hari abe make ari mu ndabyo wayanywa nagwa warenza umunsi wenda.
I'm completely terrified.
Rwose mfite ubwoba byandenze hari ukuntu umuntu abavuga ati sa Yesu nanapfa.
But he's expecting
Agasiga afasha akavideo kanyuma bazatora telefone yaracishene bazagasanga nanjye nabagenzi banjye turi kumwe dufite ubwoba
battery's gonna die.
na battery umuriro anshiranye.
One thing about an apocalypse, everybody brought their phones, but nobody thought to bring a charger.
Igitangana kibiwe turimo bibi iyi apocalypse turimo cyangiririmbuka abantu bose bazanye mu telefone yako naje no mwazanye charger. Ibibazo turimo ni inyatsi gusa. Man, atari.
I'm not too happy about Zoe doing this.
ntabwo nishimiye ibyo Zoe arimo arakora.
You worried about her?
Ese ujye umuhangayikira.
She's just the type that won't help Violet if things turn to shit.
Turiya mukobwa rero mu ndashaka ko yafasha Violet ibintu byazambye.
Zoe will come through.
Zoe araza gutungana. Uyimushyigikira. Ese hagati yanyu Natalie hari ikibazo ufitanye na Zoe?
She has one against me.
Nawe usa nk'ahanganye nanjye. Ariko nyina kibazo ufitanye nawe.
Yeah, it must be pretty bad blood if you.
Ahubwo usanga ari abantu bifitiye amaraso mabi y'icyangiro. Ufitemo ururaso rw'urutera nta muntu umwiyumvamo. Wa muntu usanga za mu kigo cy'ishuri nta muntu bajya bahuza. Niwe ufunze mu mutwe n'ufite umutwe hugaye. Sasa banabo. Aho zombi iri.
Go Cougars.
Wambaye kabisa uriteguye.
I should be the one going.
Aha, nende muri bujyane.
Fit. I'd be going too, but I'm too big.
Naye ndabyibushye nakwanca muri parafu.
I can go by myself.
Ndijyana rero.
She's right.
Ndavuga no kuri.
No point of risking more than one person.
Nataho kugira ngo dupfe turi benshi yapfa rumwe. Sasa ni muntu nanutse ni Zoe. Rero rishana yema aravuganira je rwate oya. Hagenda umwe tudapfa twese.
Yeah.
Ariko akaba yashaka undi muntu umufasha.
Back up.
Nyene yumwamfasha.
Just so you know, I trained in gymnastics for.
Ibintu bya gymnastics nabyize ubuzima bwanjye hafi igice cyabwo.
I'll let you know.
Okay. We're all nervous here.
Twese dufite ubwoba pe.
Look, it's nothing personal, but this is not going to be easy.
Umva ibintu ushaka kuba twabijya personal ariko ntabwo byoroshye.
Will you be able to stay calm if things go bad?
Mwese mugomeze mutuze ibintu bigenda nabi mwikarumye.
We'll find out.
Egarata tugiye gushaka icyo twakora.
I'll be back.
Ndagaruka.
Promise.
Amuhuru bizushe ndagiye. Kazo wimugenza abantu bajya bakimvamo mu kigo. Ariko kuri nco kemeye kwitanga. Kajya na Violet. Sasa ya chemistry lab ya laboratory y'abashimiste. Irimo zombi gahunda no guca muri parafu. Ntabwo batazi nimba yagufatirayo. Nabonye senti ya rutiro kabikora zamani. Acha muri parafu.
How many do you think go down there?
I don't know.
Iye uracheka hasi ari yonda ari wingaye. Simbizi. Ari sunikiriza.
Looks empty.
Sengo nta kintu kiriyo.
It's open.
Harakinguye. Banaga kanuza kano. Karenda kuri parafo.
Oh yeah, that's what I meant by quiet.
Umva byo mvuga byabaye ariko ceceka.
It's obvious.
Umva ibyo ngona ndabizi na ceceka. Hano no kwinjiramo. Rebye neza ku muryango ari arakinguye. Nanga igikoni kimeze nk'igicumu. Arangije. Do. Nabona ikiza cya siporo sha. Abaye nta numenye ko yinjiye. Sagufasha mugenzi we. Bandi nuguporeza nta kindi. Sasa gusetsa ingufuri. N'utuntu twabo. Bitonze. Ya. Tayari agiye gukinga. Urugero akarufashe. Yewe tuwenshaje telefone, phone charger. Ayo bari bayikeneye iki? Irukanke. Pumba kinyuma yako. Zombi zinje muri laboratoire. Sasa ni bana bagafashe. N'ibintu bakeneye. Zombi nayo. Mana we. Patakaguru. Sasa banabo. Ibibazanye bataranabibona. Dore ibibazo sasa. Tayari. Hey. Batarabona ibibazanye. Violet. Gitega igisongo. Mana we. Tayari. Bitonze. Pakas.
I gotta get out of here.
Jago twava hano.
Help me get the stuff.
Umva mfasha gufata ibintu nta kindi. Ducomoke hakiri kare. Bafata ibyibanze ndebera hanze haracyari ya myuka y'uburozi.
Are you bitten?
Maraso yarameze ati
We killed one.
tweshe zombi imwe.
You okay? Are you hurt?
Sheri wakomeretse oya tumeze neza. Abonye byari ukeneye nibagiwe sasa dore byarazanye bye muzuka wose warawutaye inyuma kubera nubwo baragutekereza cyane. Biri mu gakapu turabifite. We got it. Basekamo anashimwe sheri.
Oh, Wonder Woman.
Wari wigize Wonder Woman.
I was with you when we got attacked. You went out shrieking on me.
Nari narigeje kumva uburyo uri busakuza watatswe.
What I mean, don't get mad.
Mba wirakara no birakariremo.
Nobody thought you could do it.
Unarebe bikora utari we sheri.
I did.
Yego nabikoze.
You did.
Nabikoze mu mbebe.
Now you know.
None nigikurikira.
Kind of a badass.
Tegera mu atari.
I'm a badass.
Ari wigize badass. Hey. Barangije baracabaguzwa. Sheri ngwino. Aho tureba. Sasa nawe arimo arategura uburyo cyakoramo gas yasinziriza biriya bya zombie akanya gato bakareba ukuntu basohoka bakumva banaho bibereye mu bindi. Hari abantu buriya mubana muri uzo tukibaza niba ajya amenya igihe cy'ibibazo n'igihe cy'amahoro. Reba nk'abyo bibereyemo. Abandi bari hakurya bari kurwana no gukora imyuka yasinziriza za zombie bakareba uburyo kibajya kurwana n'amahombo abazi bakaboneka. Baza hakuno ndebe. Buriya ngo nta muryango ubura. Mbuze nuko mbivuga. Abandi bashyushya ubwonko. Banabodora bibereye. Bino n'umundi naheza heza umuze ntuzapfa. Ekaga kubitwe nta n'umundi nta John nta nuza. Yohana. Kumbe ya zombie bateye cya gisongo. Zombie yabonye aho banyuze urebe nayo tayari. Hey! Sasa na filime yaryohera. Zombie za muri parafo. Dasamuka. Hey! Tayari ni. Hey! Aya. Ko bakavuye kugakubita. Mugenzi nyamunini nawe. Natari. Bwatinze. Avayo. Araza mugenzi bajyanye tutubazo. Ndabeze by'abakobwa ni wabura gupfa ubusa.
I was really worried about you when you went to the science wing.
Ati rwose nahangayitse kubera ubwo wajya kuri science wing. Bakobwa nibo abantu mbere barakazwa n'ubusa ugasanga umukobwa ari barabwira mugenzi we. Nkushuma umetso munini ugasanga undi yabyimbye nkaho yicarira. Adafite yicarira.
Everybody else.
We n'abandi bose mwari muhangayitse.
I was worried because
bari mangayitse kubera yuko
I realized if I lost you,
kuko nari maratekereza ati ndamutse nkubuze
I'd always regret never being able to tell you how
nareba uzicuze ko ntigeze nkubwira yuko
sorry I am for what I did.
wagomba kumbabara kubwa ibyo nakoze. Mugenzi buriya niba ari ikintu kigora muri isi n'umuntu waka imbabazi nako barahari ariko ni bake kandi bira kwaka imbabazi ni ubutwari si ubugwari.
Haven't exactly acted sorry.
Atariko ntabwo yize unyitwara nk'umuntu ufite gahunda yo kwaka imbabazi.
I didn't think it would end that badly.
Ntabwo nanziko bizarangira nabi.
It seemed kind of fun.
Byasa nkaho bisekeje.
Sneak some booze.
Usibye ko byari bibi.
You abandoned me.
Ninde se warantaye?
In a car stuck on a median.
I got scared.
Mva nagize ubwobwa habaga ibibazo.
By the cops.
Nacyuwe muhirwa nakoraga impanuka na polisi. Wari inshuti yanjye magara.
Part of why I got scared.
Nanjye nabonye ukuntu ari wabaye ngira ubwoba.
Your mom acted appalled that my mom would even suggest.
Rwose mama waburyo nawe yabyitwayemo avuga ko tuzari kumwe na byarambaje ngaho mama wanjye.
You had something to do with it.
Nta n'ikintu umuntu yari afite cyo gukora.
Raised me better.
Ariko mama yashaka ko uguma umeze neza.
I was a jerk.
Ati nari umuswa. Nakoze amafuti.
Terrified by what my parents might say, but
nari mfite ubwoba bitewe n'ibyabyeyi banjye bari buvuge.
That doesn't matter.
Ibyo ntabwo ari byo by'ingenzi.
What matters is I'm sorry because you deserved better.
Ati icy'ingenzi nuko wambabarira ko ukwiye ibyiza birenze.
I don't want to be mad at you anymore.
Ati nawe uzongera kurakarira ukundi. Nta mpamvu yo kundakarira.
I know I need a friend now more than ever.
Ati uyu munsi nibwo nkeneye inshuti birenze ibindi bihe.
Missed you.
Ariko ukumbuye nanjye.
I missed you too.
naye nari ngukumbuye mugenzi ni cyane atari na Zoe amuhobeye gize gutya kozeho mugenzi kubera kazanzwe abyibushye nta waruzwa twite nati natari tiye purenya kuva rya purenya kumbe Violet Marine kazi
Get some water.
Aramazi nzanye kirakuno.
So we have this much less to drink?
Dusigaranye amazi make yo kunywa.
That's Barrett's ration.
Ration no yagiye atugabanya.
I'm sure he wouldn't mind.
Ako nizeye ko nta kibazo biri utere.
He said he redivided and redistributed to what would
rwose yagiye atugabanya aranaduhereza.
be most advantageous for our survival.
Ariko biradufasha kanya gato ko kuba turiho.
I can so see your mom just thinking you're eating too much.
Ate niye mama yabona gisuri imirabyibuhaga cyaka ari ugukunda kurya. Kuma rufite ndi wagaburiraga.
Face was getting full.
Yaramwe ngo surangire imabyibuha cyane.
Campaign photos.
Niyo mpamvu yakunda kuvuga ngo nujya kwiyamamaza kuba miss amafoto atazaza neza.
Almost like you know her.
Mama wanjye uramuzi.
You're always under so much pressure to be perfect.
Ati teka ryose ikintu cyanshimishaga nuko wagiraga pressure kugira ngo utsinde ibyo wabagurimo byose. Ntabwo nuko.
Freak out if I got pregnant.
Ajye nanasana ndamutse ntwise.
Yeah.
Cyane.
I was in denial for a long time.
Ati nanjye narabyirinze igihe kinini ariko nyine byarabaye.
I don't want anyone thinking less of me.
Ati ntabwo nashaka ko umuntu yanekerezaho nabi.
Or be gleeful that the uptight girl messed up.
Nige mukobwa ubu ngo ari bugaragare yuko ntwaye inda nyiri mu ishuri.
You can handle people seeing you as
ariko wabibwiye mama ko n'ubundi mama yagufasha. Hakujya bigumane.
Compared me to my mother.
Ati nukangeranye na mama.
You don't like asking for help.
Nese kudakunda kwaka ubufasha. Gusa
in here,
mwana ndani
we all need each other's help.
Twese dubura umwe cyane ufasha bwa mugenzi we. Nawe amubwira amagambo nkaya wa musore Dizo yambwira ati gutwita nta cyaha kirimo nani ko saririmo bwira abagenzi yawe kwibiye turimo nibiye bikomeye. Noye nawe musubire matano buri umwe cyane ufasha bwa mugenzi we. Bivuge nta cyazo kirimo. Ni Zoe. Atari ariyumvira.
Hey, did you know Mr. Marcus had an affair with Miss Green?
Ariko so abuze ko Marcus yigeze ajyana affair cyangwa se ibintu by'inkundo hagati yiwe na Green.
And Miss Martinez.
Na Miss Martinez.
At the same time?
Icyarimwe.
Miss Martinez was not too happy about it.
Asije ko Madame Martinez ntabwo yakunda ko umugabo afite undi mugore.
You remember when Miss Drake had to take time off of school for rehab after her surgery?
Ozimamvu Drake yajyaga mu ishuri yagiye muri rehab kunyuma yo kubagwa.
Yeah, we had a sub for like a month.
Twamaze rwose kwezi kose tutiga neza. Yari muri rehab.
Wait, you had Miss Drake?
Yeah, naye Miss Drake ngajyaga muvugana cyane.
Miss Drake teaches ballroom dance.
Turiya mudamu Miss Drake yakunda kutwigisha kubyina.
And it fit my schedule.
Nanjye rwose byari kuri gahunda yanjye kwiga kubyina.
Ballroom dance?
Oh, okay.
Bakomeza baganiramo.
I was thinking you were so great.
Rwose nari mu ndibaza kuri umusore mwiza utunganye. Wese ukunda kubyina.
So getting all judgy about what so happens to be a very elegant form of expression.
Ati rwose mbere na mbere itangiye kubyina bikuramo uburyo urebwe n'abantu. Ahubwo ukavuga uti ndabizwe mbizwe abanza kugira icyizere.
Okay. Yeah, I see where this is going.
Reka ndangwara ko bigiye kugenda.
Nope.
Ashiramo mugenzi akora indirimbo bajyaga bakoreraho practice imyitozo.
And I had about 20 minutes to let that solution set.
Nobundi solution nakoze ntaze ibintu nagiye mvanga kujya byari ya gas. Ntago birivanga birafata iminota 20 kugira ngo solution ibimaze kuba separated. Wino tube tuyibyiramo iyo minota 20 minutes gake gake. Wabatangiye bapingana batangiye kuzunga.
Give me a hand.
Fatano nkwereke. Mereza ikiganza.
Okay, now follow my feet.
Ubu nicyo gihe ukurikira ibirenge byanjye.
So, you know, some people are born with 2 left feet.
Bana hari bavukana ibirenge bitandamye. Navukanye bitatu kimwe bagikuye atangira gushaka inkuru zitabayeho. Nabizi abantu basanga bari makano ku rukundo bababeshanya. Rega buriya Ukraine na Russia cyo bapfuye nta kindi. Bigeze kwiba uruganda rwa kawunga. Bakawunga nyinshi ndaramubeshya mubwira ibyabayeho n'ibitarabaye. Nibyo byarakaje Putin ajya gutera buriya. Sasa mugenzi natari hakuno.
Great.
Wow, ni byiza. Mugenzi yahisemo kwirekura abwiza abagenzi bose kuri.
Congratulations.
Felicitation mwana. Mugenzi rishane.
Pregnant lady needs more water.
Ati umugore utwite no ukeneye amazi kurusha twe twese. Ntaho nyakeneye.
We need to be aware of.
Ugomba kwimenya ko umwana akeneye kubaho neza nagari nk'azo twese.
Really?
Oya niko kose bimeze.
Naps? I don't know.
Mana ndumva benshimishije.
Why'd you
Mugenzi buri ari situation burimo buri wese akagukunda.
tell everybody?
Buri nta muntu ujya wanga umuntu utwite ntibibaho. Kereko bigoryi n'abasazi wenda.
Tired of hiding something about myself.
Atse kucyuzishamo kutubwiza ko nari nambaye kugumana ibanga. Byari rindemerereye. Kandi mva ngashaka kubivuga. Abana bo mugenzi uko bategereje ko ibyo bavanze bikora iki bitatana. Sasi nawe. Araza kibuka nudo yakunda kwambara nimero 12. Bakinaga basket. Nelation. Oye nawe hakuno. Mugenzi ni Dizo. Yabuze nawe mushiti we Lyle. Na ndi gahunda ngo yafasha abagenzi be. Babibereye hakurya. Hano bafite ya chipe yabo yitwa Cougars. Hari ibikombe yagiye itwara. Sasa muri parafo hamwe twabonye zombi nshaka kwinjiramo hano. Hey! Sinzi ngo harimo iki. Parafilimi irinyeganyeza. Ndacheki episode na Ruki Jense yari Sankara da premium mwumvaga abaje mwakoze kuzamura beho. Nimuce kuna episode ya 7 ndabakunda cyane cyane. Hasta la vista.